This water animals is known as whale. Whales sleep with one half of their brain awake so they remember to surface and breathe. They even nap vertically in the water. This is crocodiles. Biggest reptile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile in the world. Some grow over 20 feet, 6 meters, long. This is scorpion. Not all are deadly. Out of 2,500 scorpion species, only about 30 to 40 have venom strong enough to harm humans. This is mice. Mice can run up to 8 miles per hour. That's faster than most humans can walk. Cats. Cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. That's 13 to 16 hours a day. No wonder they're called cat naps. This is called frogs. Smallest, biggest. The tiny Pedophrine amaensis frog is smaller than a dime, while the Goliath frog is as big as a house cat. This is called ants. Some ants raid other colonies and steal baby ants to work for them. Snake. Sea snakes can breathe through their skin and stay underwater for 2 hours without coming up for air.